Time is medicine. How every citizen can heal the nation by valuing time. They say time heals everything. But if I told you time is not just a healer, time itself is medicine. And like every medicine, it must be used wisely or it will be wasted. Every second you spend shapes not just your life but the destiny of our nation. Today, we are going to explore how valuing time can heal our problems, lift our people, and make India stronger than ever. Time, the equal gift. Time is the only resource given equally given to everyone, rich or poor, young or old. A student gets 24 hours in a day. A prime minister gets 24 hours in a day. A soldier at the border gets 24 hours in a day. The difference between success and failure, between rising nation and falling one, is how we use these 24 hours. In our history, leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar achieved so much not because they had more time but because they never wasted it. Wasting time wastes the nation. When citizens waste time, innovation slows down, productivity drops, progress halts. Think about it. If a student wastes a year, a family loses potential. If thousands waste years, the country loses growth. Every missed opportunity, every delayed action, every hour spent in idleness is a wound to the nation's future. Swami Vivekananda once said, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." Those words are reminder our time is our weapon. Time is medicine for the nation. If time is used with purpose, it can cure so many of our national challenges. Education. When children spend time studying instead of aimless distractions, the medicine of time cures the disease of ignorance. Economy. When workers use their hours productively, the medicine of time heals the wounds of poverty. Unity. When citizens invest time in understanding each other, the medicine of time cures the disease of division. Innovation. When youth spend their time creating solutions instead of complaining, the medicine of time cures the sickness of stagnation. Stories of time well spent. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam used every minute for learning and serving, turning dreams into satellites and missiles. Milkha Singh spent thousands of hours training, turning himself into the flying Sikh and making India proud. E. Harm, the metro man of India, used his time and discipline to transform to public transport in our cities. Each of them had the same 24 hours you have. but they treated time like gold. And in doing so, they enriched the entire nation. Part 5. The Citizens' Pledge. Imagine if every Indian decided today that not a single minute would be wasted. Imagine 140 crore people using time like medicine to heal poverty, illiteracy, inequality, and division. This is not a dream, it is possible if we start with ourselves. So take this pledge with me. I will respect my time as the most precious medicine. I will use my hours to build, not to waste. I will inspire others to value every second. I will live each day in service to my nation, because when every citizen values time, the nation becomes unstoppable. Jai Hind.